Hello. Have you ever had moments when you realized your powerlessness in front of a strong opponent? Have you ever felt like your desire to fight for honor only makes things worse? In a world where open confrontation often leads to defeat, it's important to know when to retreat and how to use surrender to your advantage. Sometimes, admitting defeat can be a more powerful strategic move than continuing to fight fruitlessly. It's time to rethink your methods and learn how to turn weakness into strength. The sages and strategists of the past understood that when strength is at an end, direct confrontation will only hurt. They knew that true strength often lies in the ability to retreat and store up strength for future victories. In a world ruled by power and aggression, the ability to skillfully surrender can be your most powerful weapon. Ancient philosophers taught that there is great power hidden in the ability to accept defeat for a time. Surrender is not a sign of weakness if it is thoughtful and strategically sound. It is a temporary retreat that will give you the opportunity to prepare for the next move to deal a devastating blow to your opponent. So, use the strategy of surrender. If your opponent is clearly stronger than you, don't fight for your honor by risking everything you have. Instead, capitulate gracefully and with dignity. Admitting defeat will give you time to lick your wounds, rethink your strategy, and prepare for the next step. For example, if your competitor at work is clearly superior to you at the moment, don't try to fight him directly. Instead, recognize his superiority and use this time to self-develop and accumulate resources. Let your opponent think he has won while you stealthily strengthen your position. Your capitulation will be his underestimation, and in time his power will begin to wane. Don't let your opponent enjoy an unqualified victory over you. Surrender one step before your defeat. Surrender will become your instrument of power if you learn to use it correctly. By admitting your temporary defeat, you are actually laying the foundation for future victories. Power is not always in the attack. Sometimes it is in the skillful and timely retreat. Knowing when to retreat so you can come back and win is a real talent.